Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the previous features available in the Azure. So Microsoft offers a previews of Azure features for evaluation purposes. So with Azure preview features you can test beta and other pre-release features, products, services, software and regions. Providing feedback on the features you preview also help Microsoft to improve Azure services. So it's like a beta testing. So whenever you are going to release your product, before releasing you will have a beta test that need to be performed, right? Like that Microsoft also, whatever the features or whatever the services that they are going to release, they are going to test before it. So that is really that access will be given to Microsoft users, I mean Azure users. Azure preview Azure features preview are available under certain terms and conditions. Okay, well, whenever you are going to test, obviously there will be a certain terms and conditions for that particular preview, so that are specific to each particular Azure preview. Okay, whenever they are releasing something, they have certain terms and conditions, like what to do, what not to do, all those they will mention in that document itself. So all preview specific terms and conditions supplement your existing service line agreement, which governs your use of Azure. Okay, if you are using any sort of malfunctioning, all those it will be monitored and also action will be taken by the Azure. Okay, preview features category, there are two types of Azure preview modes. One is private and the other one is public. So these two are very important to remember. When I took exam AZ 900, I got this question, like they will tell you this particular statement and they will ask you like whether it is private or public. So let's see what is private. This means that an Azure feature is available to a certain Azure customers for evaluation purpose. That is what private. Private is not released to market. Okay, it is only for a testing purpose. Okay, this means that Azure feature is available to a certain Azure customers for evaluation purpose. I will show you how that private preview will looks like. Public preview, this means that an Azure feature is available to all the Azure customers for evaluation purposes. So private preview is only for a certain Azure customers for evaluation. Public preview is available to all the Azure customers for evaluation purpose. That is the difference. How you can access this preview features, I had given here a 3 URLs. You can go by one. The first one is related to Azure updates and the second one is related to preview.portal. I will show you how it looks like in the portal. So right now I am on the portal. You can see that this portal looks like how your Azure portal looks like, but you can see that there is a mark called preview here. So if you see the normal one, you won't find that preview test or anything here. So if you see this one, this is called as a preview features, where you can test the Microsoft products. Okay, and the second one we talked about is Azure updates. So whenever there is a preview of any product, they will update here. So you can see that automatic instance repairs for Azure virtual machine scale set now is in preview. So if you click on that, you will get a few details of that particular, like what they had done, and you can see the documentation and you can see what they had done, everything in this particular resource. So if you just click on updates again, or if you scroll down, you can see more what are available in the preview. Okay, and you can test all those and give feedback to Azure. So it will helpful for them also as well. I hope this help you. Thank you.